Welcome to the Hilton Helsinki Airport, the most convenient hotel for anyone flying in or out of Finland's capital. Just a short walk from the terminal, this is a popular choice for both business and leisure travellers. As a Hilton Honors Gold Member, I was fortunate enough to receive an upgrade to an executive room on the 5th floor, which also grants access to the executive lounge. So let's take a look inside and see if this hotel is worth your stay. Walking into the lobby, you're greeted by a modern, sleek space with warm Scandinavian touches. Check-in was smooth and efficient, with the staff being friendly and professional. My upgrade was confirmed, and within minutes I had my key in hand and was on my way up to the executive level. Now let's take a look at my executive room on the 5th floor. The first thing you notice is the clean, minimalist design, very Finnish in style, with neutral tones and soft lighting. The room is spacious with a large super king size bed, a comfortable seating area and a well-lit desk space for any last-minute work. The floor-to-ceiling windows provide plenty of natural light, and if you're lucky, you might even get a view of the airport apron, perfect for aviation lovers. Now let's talk about the bathroom. It's modern, featuring a walk-in shower, plush Hilton bathrobes and slippers, and those signature Crabtree and Evelyn toiletries. Nothing over the top luxurious here, but certainly a comfortable and well thought out space. Now, one of the biggest perks of staying in an executive room is access to the executive lounge. Located on the 5th floor as well, this lounge provides a quiet space to relax, work, or enjoy some complimentary refreshments throughout the day. You'll find a selection of tea, coffee and soft drinks, along with light snacks. When in the evening, there's a small buffet with appetizers, a selection of alcoholic beverages, and a cosy atmosphere to unwind before a flight or after a long day of travel. Whilst it's not the most extensive executive lounge I've visited, it's a great perk for Gold and Diamond members or for anybody booked into an executive room. Of course, no stay in Finland is complete without experiencing a sauna, and Hilton Helsinki Airport has one available for all its guests. Whilst it's not private, it's well maintained and a great way to relax before or after a long journey. And if you're looking to keep up with your fitness routine, the hotel gym is open 24/7. It's small but really well equipped, featuring cardio machines, free weights and resistance equipment. It's nothing fancy, but for an airport hotel, it is one of the better gyms I've seen on my travels. For dining, the hotel's restaurant Dewey offers a selection of Nordic-inspired dishes, and there's also a bar area for lighter meals and drinks throughout the day. But if you have executive lounge access, you might find that the snacks are enough just for a light dinner. Breakfast is served in the main restaurant, and as a Hilton Honors Gold member, I had the option of complimentary breakfast, which is always a nice perk. But sadly on this trip, I took my breakfast in the coveted Finnair business class lounge. I'm reliably informed though by the lovely staff that the breakfast spread can include a range of continental and hot options with fresh pastries and even local specialities like kailon pirukka. Separate to the restaurant, there's also a small children's play area, handy if you're travelling with the little ones. So is the Hilton Helsinki Airport Hotel worth staying at? Well, if you have a flight in or out of Helsinki and need a comfortable, stress-free stay just minutes from the terminal, it's a fantastic choice. The executive room upgrade was a great perk, and access to the executive lounge made for a much more enjoyable stay. The sauna, gym and solid breakfast offerings round out a well-designed, well-located airport hotel. While it's not a luxury property, it's exactly what you need for a quick stopover, convenience, comfort and a touch of Hilton hospitality. Would I stay here again? Absolutely. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you'd stay at the Hilton Helsinki Airport or if you've stayed here before. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more airline and hotel reviews. See you in the next one.